Okay, let's start. Okay, as I call your nickname, please say present. Pimay. Guide. Golf. Peach. Pla. Guy. King. Toy. Is it toy? Toy. Okay, sorry. Cake. Sickly. Neptune. Noi. NUI. Toilet. Okay, so she's present. Okay. Is it P? Tanakon? P? Tanakon, are you here? Mr. Tanakon. Absent. Okay. Nanay. Fiat. Toilet. Moji. Kit. Da. Phone. Big boss. Another phone, not Nari. Absent, okay. Porsche. Toilet, okay. Kazia or Kazia? Your nickname is Toffee, right? Okay. Beauty. Ju or Deo? Mr. Pong Apnot. How do you pronounce your nickname? Deo. Okay. Nice. Plap. Mr. Wacharapong Sanklang. How do you pronounce your nickname? Oh. Okay. Rooney. Jirakit. Siklib. Kanokpon. How do you pronounce your nickname? Tay. Okay. Pure. Miss Pure. Kanlayakon. Pure. Is it you? Okay. Sukrita. Miss Sukrita. Absent. Wacharapon. Miss Wacharapon. Okay. And then for English for Industrial Technologies, Kampanat. Absent. Tapsuria. Wacharakon. Okay. Okay, so let's start.